Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Breastfeeding Library.
I can Babu.
I getting baboos. So I'm on my YouTube channel. I'm editing and giving Keisha some baboos at the same time. We are on our way out to drop them off to school. And Keisha wanted baboos. He wanted baboos. Good morning to everyone. I wanted to get on here and talk because we're not at our 10,000 subscribers. My goal for March was 10,000 subscribers. So please, you guys, share this video, comment on this video, and like this video. So this video can reach more people so that we can reach our 10,000 subscribers. That was my personal goal for March, is to reach 10,000 subscribers. We're almost at 8,000 subscribers. So I know it's possible. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Right? Right, Keishawn?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, we can. Jace Ways. Tell them hey.
Hey.
So let me introduce Jace Ways. That's my little nephew. Him and Keishawn is actually 6 weeks apart. So me, my sister and I experienced pregnancy at the same time.
And
And
pray to God.
And pray to God. But we both experienced pregnancy at the same time. I know it was running. And it was a great experience. And now they're best buddies, right, Keishawn?
Mm-hmm.
I met Jace Wace and Keishawn. The Babu girl. So we're about to head out. Tell them don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna
like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell, and
so y'all can get the notifications.
Use no filter.
No filters. Breastfeed with no filters. Let's hit that 10,000 subscribers. Okay.
Now.
Now, right now, right now.